Welcome to the Vendor Import tutorial, part 2 of the Correct Data Migration series. In this video, I'll show you how to import vendor records into the Accounts Payable system using the Vendor Import view. The Vendor Import view is designed to help you quickly migrate vendor information into Correct. You will pair source file columns to correct vendor fields, create the records, and save them into Accounts Payable. Follow along by visiting our website's tutorial section for a link to the sample files used in this tutorial. To begin, enter 1 in the Skip Lines field to bypass the header row. Next, select the binocular icon, choose Open CSV or XLS file, then open Vendors XLSX. Now we'll pair each column from the import file with the correct vendor attribute, vendor name. Select the column titled Vendor. This becomes the name stored in Accounts Payable. Contact name, select Primary Contact. If your file includes an account number, Correct appends that number to the contact name for your reference. Contact email. Email is not paired in this example, since the source file includes no email addresses. Contact telephone, select phone. Street address, select Street 1 and Street 2. These map to the vendor's primary address fields. Title, leave title blank. It's used only for international addressing. City, state, zip. In this example, the address components are in separate columns. City, city, state, state, zip, zip. If your file used a combined city, state, zip column, you would map that instead, but it's not used here. Country, leave this blank. Address type, select US format. When all pairings are complete, select Create Records to generate vendor records. Review the vendor list to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, select Save to store the vendors in correct Accounts Payable. And that completes importing vendor records into Correct. In the next tutorial, we'll move on to importing your chart of accounts. Thanks for watching.